Been quizzed on the samosa controversy, has tugged and dodged the questions that were put to him on the misplaced priorities of Himachal Pradesh government. So in the backdrop of the blowback over Sukhu government's misplaced priorities, Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, who dodged questions on missing samosa. He ducked and dodged questions on the CBI probe that's been ordered into that missing samosa for Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu. Listen in to that reaction coming in.
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
Let's go across to Lalit, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Lalit, it seems that Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu was left red-faced, of course. But talk to us once again about that October 21st CID note that we've accessed, which has mentioned this incident as an anti-government act.
Well, if we overall talk about this whole controversy, it has led the Himachal Pradesh government and especially Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu as red-faced. And if you overall talk about this controversy on 21st October, when Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu went to attend the CID function in the headquarters, that time the refreshments were being made to come for Chief Minister Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu. And when those snacks and refreshments were not being given to Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, but were given to the security staff of CM, inquiry has been marked by the CID, and in that inquiry note it has been written that this act is anti-government and anti-CID act. So looking into this now, the Himachal Pradesh government has goofed up and BJP has got a chance to corner Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, as it clearly said that the Himachal Pradesh government priorities are different. Their priorities are to look after and make an inquiry of CID on the samosa and the snack which were not being given to the Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. But now another reaction which is coming from the Himachal Pradesh CID, who is the DG in charge of Himachal Pradesh, Mr. Oja, he said that this is an internal matter and no one has been given the notice. So once again, it seems that Himachal Pradesh government is engulfed into the controversy, whether it was the toilet tax and now the CID inquiry on the samosa, which was being missing and not given to Thakur Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu.
Well, that's right, Lalit. That answer is on the expected lines. Clearly, they have no justification to give as to why did they have to initiate CBI probe in the first place. But let's also listen in to reactions coming in from the BJP questioning the misplaced priorities of the government.
कांग्रेस का हिमाचल में गवर्नेंस मॉडल तो देखिए, पहले टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगाना और उसके बाद अब समोसे पर सीआईडी की इंक्वायरी, वो भी सरकार विरोधी कृत्य बताकर। जी हां, समोसे और केक मंगवाए गए थे, सीएम के लिए थे, गलती से उनके स्टाफ को परोस दिए गए। तो हिमाचल प्रदेश के पूरे प्रशासन का काम ये बचा है कि अब इसमें सीआईडी इंक्वायरी कराकर इसे एंटी गवर्नमेंट एक्ट बताकर इसमें जांच की जा रही है। प्राथमिकता देखिए, हिमाचल के पूरे व्यवस्था को चौपट कर दिया। टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगाने की नौबत आ गई, डीजल पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ा दिए, बिजली के दाम बढ़ा दिए, पानी के दाम बढ़ा दिए। 1500 रुपये प्रति महिला को देने वाले थे, वादा किया था, तो वो सब वादे निभाने के बदले अब समोसा कैसे स्टाफ तक पहुंच गया, उसमें एंटी गवर्नमेंट इंक्वायरी, एंटी गवर्नमेंट ये कृत्य है, ये कहकर इंक्वायरी होगी। एक तो ये दिखाता है कि किस प्रकार की सोच भी कांग्रेस रखती है। अगर समोसा परोसे जाने पर गलती से एंटी गवर्नमेंट कृत्य बताती है तो ये कितनी टॉलरेंट है, ये गवर्नमेंट कितनी प्रोग्रेसिव है, ये गवर्नमेंट कितना बिना विद्वेष की भावना से काम करती है, यह आप इसका अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं। पर उनकी प्राथमिकता क्या है? समोसों पर इंक्वायरी, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स। हिमाचल की जनता नहीं, क्या मजाक बनाकर रखा है? यही कांग्रेस का मॉडल है, खटाखट मॉडल।
As you just heard, BJP terming this incident as nothing but a khatakat model of the Congress government in the state of Himachal Pradesh. In fact, let's once again listen in to that sequence in which Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu not just evaded the questions but was clearly seen left red-faced on that specific question that was put to him regarding the samosa controversy in the state.
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
सर, भाजपा आरोप लगा रही है कि आप समोसे की बात कर रहे हैं।
धन्यवाद।
Yes, let's go across to Lalit again. Lalit, while the Chief Minister obviously has no answers to the questions that were put to him, any statement or a reaction that has come in from the Congress so far?
We talk about the reaction from the Congress side. Very clearly, they are saying that a political controversy has been just enlightened up in Himachal Pradesh. Whether
All right, we will just try and connect with Lalit again. There seems to be a network problem. But